So before we go into a deeper dive of our presentation, let me just give you an introduction to our project. Firstly, road safety is essential because it ensures that vehicles can operate efficiently and safely. Okay, however, poor road conditions and unsafe user behaviors can lead to accidents and vehicle damage, which compromises both vehicle reliability and also their dynamics. Secondly, we have chosen LINGKUNGAN over UKM within UKM because this area is known to be particularly busy and has a lot of varied road conditions, making it an ideal location to study the road safety factors. This dynamic environment includes pedestrians, cyclists, and motorized vehicles, which presents a unique challenge and opportunities for our project. So finally, our study aims to achieve several key objectives. First, we will assess the road conditions looking at aspects such as road surface quality, signage, and also lighting. Okay, secondly, we will observe user behaviors, including adherence to traffic rules and pedestrian crossing practices. Additionally, we will also identify existing accident measures such as speed bumps, guardrails, and other safety infrastructure. By systematically analyzing these kinds of factors, we hope to contribute to a safer and more reliable transportation environment within the area of UKM.
Road safety and vehicle dynamics are crucial to be explored, particularly in universities, where there is high volume of vehicular traffic and pedestrian. Road safety consists of several preventive measures to prevent accidents and safeguard road users. Vehicle dynamics, on the other hand, it delves into the way vehicles respond to road conditions and environmental factors. Within a university, safe road conditions and vehicle behaviors are important to avoid or minimize accidents as well as improve the staff and student safety. According to research in 2021, the road surface quality plays an important role in vehicle dynamics. Poor road conditions such as potholes, bad drainage, and uneven surfaces lead to high accident rates due to drivers losing control. Well-maintained roads significantly improve the vehicle stability and reduce the risk of accidents, especially during rainy days. Thus, effective road infrastructure and regular maintenance are vital to reduce the risk of vehicle accidents and ensure driving conditions are safe. Compliance with speed limits is pivotal in enhancing road safety, including on university roads. Effective speed limits not only help to control vehicle speed but also reduce the accident severity. A study in 2021 found that higher speed leads to more fatalities and higher accident rates. On the other hand, the study also showed that lower speed limits generally result in fewer fatal crashes due to the reduced energy absorbed during a crash. Thus, by obeying the speed limit, the probability of accidents involving pedestrians and vehicles can be reduced and contributing to overall road safety. Apart from compliance with speed limits, seat belt usage among drivers and passengers is a crucial safety measure that should be emphasized more, particularly in university area. Study in 2020 underscored that the usage of seat belt helps to reduce the injury severity and prevent fatal accidents in traffic accidents. When the drivers or passengers are properly restrained by the seat belt, they are less likely to thrown around violently due to the collision impact or even be ejected from the vehicle, reducing the probability of sustaining life-threatening injuries during accidents. The effectiveness of road signage is important to guide road users as well as reducing accidents. Signage with proper design and visibility communicates essential information that help the drivers to be aware of the road conditions and can respond accordingly. A well-marked pedestrian crossing provides safe zones for pedestrians and reduces collisions between vehicles and pedestrians. Signs such as stop sign that place in a suitable position able to improve and manage the traffic flow and prevent risk of accidents. The implementation of speed bumps and roundabout helps in controlling vehicle speed and reducing the severity of an accident. Research in 2023 evaluated the effectiveness of mini roundabout by analyzing the crash data before and after the implementation. According to this research, total crashes at intersections that were converted from signalized intersections to mini roundabout have decreased. However, there is also increasing number of crashes at intersections that were converted from two-way and all-way stop control intersections to mini roundabouts. This finding underscores the need for careful consideration for the calming measures designed to ensure the road user safety. The interrelationship between road conditions, safety measures, and vehicle dynamics is complex, where each factor influences the others in various ways. Road conditions directly affect vehicle dynamics by affecting handling and braking capabilities. Safety measures such as signage, traffic lights, and speed limits are implemented to alleviate the accident risk related to road conditions. Furthermore, the interrelationship underscores the importance of road safety strategies. As an example, compliance with speed limits can mitigate the effects of collisions during accidents. Thus, by considering road safety, safety measures, and vehicle dynamics, the severity and frequency of accidents can be minimized. This section highlights the impact of road conditions, safety measures, and vehicle dynamics on road safety. Maintenance of road conditions and effective safety measures are crucial for accident prevention. While there is existing research on the interrelationships between all these factors, there are still gaps in comprehensive understanding of this complex interrelationship to develop safety strategies.
For the methodology, first we do research about road condition, road safety measure and anti-accident measure. So we use the internet to investigate current road condition and seek out information about how this circumstance may negatively impact other users of the road. So, pure road conditions are known to cause accident, which can have a wide range of detrimental repercussions for other drivers. Other than that, we do research on traffic safety precautions that can reduce or eliminate accident, and we do research about anti-accident method that can stop deadly accident. Second, for the data collection, we use camera to take pictures of the pedestrian activity and traffic flow at each place. The area that we cover for our project is the photo will be taken at Universiti Kebangsaan Malaysia LINGKUNGAN 2, which is close to Pusat Citra UKM and the Faculty of Engineering and Built Environment. The areas of interest for the data gathering will be state of the red campus, pedestrian crossing and crossroad where vehicle cross.
So now we will look into our findings, what we have found when we did our survey. So firstly is the road conditions around Lingkungan. We documented several areas with significant wear to the road surface, including potholes and uneven patches. These road surface imperfections actually directly affects vehicle control and the performance of suspension system. For example, the impact of poor road surfaces on vehicle dynamics can lead to increased risk for accidents and damage, not only to vehicles but also to pedestrians navigating these hazards. So, addressing these road conditions is crucial for improving road safety and reducing risk associated with poor road surface quality. Next section, we also documented road safety measures by road users and also pedestrians. So the first one we documented is when this a car slowing down for a speed bump. And actually, the interesting thing here is that this kind of speed bump is the type where it's integrated with a walkway. So actually, if you look into the picture quite clearly, you can see the car is slowing down for the speed bump, and it's adhering to the signage. That is that the signage is clear. And also another interesting thing is that there are actually barriers at each opposite end of the pathway to prevent any vehicles from entering the pathway and to also protect the pedestrians. Okay, so next for pedestrian safety, we can see in the next picture that there is a clear signage of a pedestrian crossing, also clear markings of pedestrian crossing. This kind of design, it actually helps slowing traffic and also provides safe crossing for the pedestrian from the bus stop to the walkway on the opposite side.
The first figure shows a motorcyclist wearing a helmet while riding. The helmet provides protection for rider and passengers' head in case of an accident, and it also helps to reduce the risk of severe injuries if accident happens. This safety gear is important for both riders and passengers, as they are more likely to experience serious injuries compared to other vehicles drivers. All motorcyclists is obligated to wear helmet while riding all the time because it is mandated by law, as well as ensuring their safety and well-being. while the next figure shows pedestrians walk on designated pedestrian pathway. Clearly marked pedestrian pathways provide a dedicated space separate from vehicles. This separation reduces the accident risk as it avoids pedestrians from straying into the road, leading to accidents between vehicles and pedestrians. The designated pathway often comes with a visible sign and road mark which gives a warning or message to vehicle drivers to be cautioned with the presence of pedestrians and encouraging them to slow down.
Next, for the anti-accident measure to prevent fatal accident, first is convex mirrors. The purpose of the convex mirror is to increase visibility and lower the likelihood of collision on the road. Convex mirror will enhancing intersection visibility at crossroad, particularly in areas where barriers such as tree, building or other structure limit visibility. They lessen the chance of crash by enabling driver to see approaching vehicles from various angles. Convex mirrors will improve safety around bends and curves, which is convex mirrors at drivers on winding road and abrupt turn by enhancing their visibility. Second is high skid resistant road marking at the intersection, which have multiple important purposes, including improving road safety and averting collision. Helping in reducing stopping distance, large skid marking also increase the amount of friction between the tires of the vehicles and the road, will result in greatly reducing stopping distance. This is especially important in places where cars must stop quickly as right before an intersection. This will lessen the possibility of rear-end crash brought on by sudden braking.
So how does all this relate to vehicle dynamics in real life? So firstly is where worse road surface conditions such as potholes or uneven patches on the road will directly impact vehicle stability and control. These kind of flaws they actually force drivers to perform rapid movements sometimes to avoid these holes and patches on the roads, which further destabilizes the vehicle and ultimately accelerates wear on important components like suspension systems and tires. This not only reduces the vehicle reliability but also actually reduces maintenance costs. Okay, secondly is user behaviors. Safety measures implemented by drivers and pedestrians, such as slowing down for speed bumps and using designated pedestrian lanes, considerably improves road safety. These techniques encourage controlled driving by drivers and also reduces sudden and abrupt movements on vehicles, which actually enhances the overall dynamics, the vehicle dynamics. Uh, Infrastructures in place such as speed bumps and pedestrian barriers can actually help to regulate traffic flow and prioritize pedestrian safety first, thereby lowering the likelihood of accidents. And finally is anti-accident measures, where features like convex mirrors and high skid resistant road markings can improve improve visibility and vehicle control in some critical areas where those things are actually needed. These measures actually increases driver awareness and handling, which contributes to a safer driving environment. Okay, so by addressing these aspects thoroughly, we can actually significantly enhance the overall reliability and performance of vehicles operating around Lingkungan, which is our area of study, and therefore it will result in a safer and more efficient and ultimately a safer campus transportation environment.
Lastly, for the conclusion, this study underscored the importance of maintaining the condition of road as road issues such as potholes and uneven surface significantly affect vehicle stability and control. This study also highlights that safety measures such as speed bump and pedestrian pathway play a vital role in traffic flow management and enhancing the safety of pedestrians, thus reducing the accident risk. This study highlights the importance of the effective anti-accident measures such as a convex mirror and high skid resistant road markings. Measures mentioned help drivers to have more awareness and able to make control stop, which it helps to reduce the risk of the vehicle pedestrian collision. This study concludes that by adopting and practicing this strategy, the vehicle dynamics and reliability can be improved. Thereby, overall safety and efficiency of campus transportation at UKM could be enhanced.